Okay, I'm already in on this trade. Today is um today is Wednesday, 15th January 2025. You can see the trade here. I'm just testing. You can see it EU. I'm short already. Then you can see where I got in. Then on 1 hour you see where my TP is. These are my TP level. I'm on break even from my stop loss already, right? So when I got in, my stop loss was I took a screenshot. Let me show you the screenshots. I want to show you where my stop loss was. I tell people, I always tell people to take a screenshot of your trade whenever you are trading. Take a screenshot. See my first entry right there. You can see right there how I got in. See where my stop loss is, right here. That's my stop loss for the first entry. You can see them. See them right there on 1 hour. That's how I always take a screenshot of my trade, right? You can see it right here too. Then let's go back to the forex charts. Why I got into the trade, right? I got my entry from here. This first, let me zoom in so that you will see what I'm talking about. This is where I got in my entry from. Right here. That level, that fair value gap that I marked. My student already know the fair value gap that I'm talking about right there. If you have been following, that is not going to be strange to you. Then my second entry is from this one, right? The fair value gap that I marked there, that is second entry. You can see I'm in with two positions, right? Then I'm waiting to get in another one here. Once it come here again, I'll add one more, making three positions. Then my first TP is below this low. Then my second TP is this 4-hour order block. I'll show you all these things. If you are following, you know these things that I'm talking about. You have them on your chart. Let me take it to 4 hours chart. You can see right there. This 4 hour. Then 1 hour chart. There's something I want to let you know on 1 hour chart. What I'm expecting. You can see this up candle right here. This is CPI. I'll show you people the CPI I'm talking about. The news event I always tell you. You can see this is the analysis that I did right there where I said when it come here that will sell it, right? Then on 1 hour, look at what it did. And I always tell people that before making our entry that we wait for them to take liquidities into a higher time frame PDRA, right? And that PDRA I just showed you from a daily chart now, the fair value gap, it is a higher time frame, right? So you can see this. Let's take it to 15 minutes. I want to show you something. You can see this you can see this my battery low. Wow, that's me. I need to shut it, but I want to explain something to you people first. You can see this equal high right here. There are people stop loss there. The neophyte trader, the retailers, they put their stop loss. When market was consolidating here, you can see it. Smart money were accumulating orders around this level, right? Then they came with CPI. This is a CPI candle. You see this long candle, right? That is CPI. Let me take you to investing.com and show you I told you people that you don't get in ahead of CPI. This news event are very powerful. Let me show you the news event I'm talking about. Let's go to investing.com. I will show you the time where that kind of form compared to the news. That's why I tell people how I use these news events in my trading. They are fundamental analysis. You don't play with them. Anytime you see this news, they will do something with them on the forex charts. So the example is what I want to show you. You can see the CPI I'm talking about. See CPI right here. This is CPI, right? So you can see the time. The time is this 14 coming. This time you see right here, this 14:30, it is 2:30 Nigerian time, and that is 8:30 a.m. New York time. Let's go back to the forex chart now. Let's see what time that can form. Now look at this candle that I'm talking about. I want to put a vertical line on the candle. Look at this candle. This candle, let me make it bold. With this, let me put it green, right? Or let me put it red. Yeah. You see the time right there. You can see it is 8:30. See the time here. See the time right here. You can see that it is 8:30 a.m. New York time, right? So you look at that candle. It is because of that news event. So when they came with that news event, I told you that when smart monies are trading, I know their footprint, and I wait for them. When they do something with that news event, I'll follow them. That's what I told you, right? So they came with that news, right? Took people into this higher time frame PDRA right here. So a lot of neophyte traders would chase that up run to the upside. That time I was watching them on 5 minutes chart. I did not enter this run when it was going up. I was just watching the market because I know that they are taking people to the right side of the market into this higher time frame PDRA here. From the analysis I have in the week, I told you that when market trader will go down, right, and it is doing what I'm expecting, right? So when it got there, what happened? I told you that my entry, if you check those my trade that I posted there, those my live execution, you will see that I have the same thing. And this thing that I taught you people in the lecture, I didn't know the same thing right here. Now check. This is, I talked about market structure break on that lecture, right? This is a structure break to the downside. Then it returned to the fair value gap that smart money left in place. Then I got a one entry from there down, right? Then the first entry right here, my student understand what I'm saying. The first entry, which is this fair value gap right here. When I saw that CPI has done its thing, I know that they won't go up again. I know when they stop, because this is a high time frame PDRA. This thing, this shaded area right here, this, you can see it. It is a high time frame PDRA, and I know what they do with them, right? Exactly what I shared with you in the lecture, and I just got entered with it right now. So back to the trade, you can see it right here. I don't trade in the month of January, so I'm just using this to teach you people. Where's my MT4? I'm using this to teach, to show you people that those things that I put up there in the lecture, if you are still wasting your time, in the month of February, when I start trading live, making money with this thing in front of you, see, this is a live account. I'm trading with real money right now. This is a live account. So the account is, you can see what I'm doing with it. This is a trade. So what I'm looking to see, once you take this low, I will take profit. Take this one, I will take profit. Then if you retrace up here, I will still add another entry, which is what I marked out on trading view here. I'm trading EURUSD right now. This is, the market is open. This is not a market replay. You can see you see this place. When you click this place, you will see that they will show you if it is a market replay or market open. You can see it. See what they read the write up. I am reading it out for you so that you know that this is a live thing that I'm doing. They said all is well, market is open. Market closed in 5 hours and 57 minutes. Today's date is Wednesday, right? You can see it. They put it there, Wednesday, right? So this is trading view. The time I'm using New York time. You can see what they put up there. Time zone New York. Then they say one update every 5 seconds. Data on our basic plan is updated once every 5 seconds. even if there are more updates on the market, paid plans feature faster data updates. And now this one I'm using right now is a free trading view, because I want people to see that it is the same thing that I'm doing. Those of you that are just coming in newly using free trading view, I am doing the same thing with you. The trading view is free, so you can see it is a lifetime that are giving me. They are updating me as the candle is forming, so I'm trading live right now. So take it back. Now, what was I saying? I was talking about the other block. You can see now one of our other block is forming right now. And what did I say that other block is? You see, this is one of other block that is forming. It has not finished forming, but I've been trading with a lot of experience, seeing this thing over and over and over again. So as it's forming right now, I am seeing that as a 1 hour order block. But you that is coming in newly, don't see that yet. You have to wait for it till this market trade down, break market structure here. Then this up candle here will become a valid order block to send price lower, a bearish order block, right? But I've been trading with a lot of experience, so I already know that this is 1 hour order block that is forming, and I've already engaged since from here, because I could see it early from that 5 minutes chart. The purpose of you trading on that 5 minutes chart is for you to see the price, for you to get your sweet entry on time. That's why once it is trading around that higher time frame, the moment I see that they are taking liquidities, they are taking people's money into that higher time frame PDRA that I already marked, I will now drop the chart for 5 minutes charts. I'll start reading the price. Now I will wait to see a displacement lower with a fair value gap. I showed people in the lecture how they send the price with fair value gap and other block. Then when we are to get in every time frame we are using as your entry, this is what you need to wait in this hard time frame. I told you that it is not about you trading every fucking time. No, we are waiting for the very best one. I know that even this one I'm doing, even if it fail, it can fail, it's possible, but I have to do it at the right time when I know that, okay, these things are highly likely to pan out in my direction at this social point in time. That is what it is. You have to be sure of what you are doing. You don't do it by luck. So many people are making money by luck, jumping. You can see now what they are doing here. A lot of people that were chasing this price, keeping their stop loss here. Some people will even keep their stop loss here because they don't really know the right time. They don't know the right area to keep their stop loss. Right now, look at what smart money is doing to them. They are dropping the market against them right now. The market is dropping against them. So you can see the little things I've done on this chart. This is it. I don't want to make it a very long video. I want to show you people that this is the entry from the lecture that I gave you people, because I've given you the analysis in the week that this is what we'll be doing. So the part 2 of this, I will join it together. Then the part 2, that one will be a continuation of it. Maybe when you get to my entry, when you get to my take profit and all of that, or when you come to stop me out, I'll just come to tell people that this is the end of the trade. So right now, I'll close this one from here now. What I'm expecting right now is if he come back to this place, I will add one more entry to drop it down. That's what I'm waiting for right now, right? But if he doesn't do that, hey, look at this fair value gap that is forming right now. This one, this is the 15 minutes fair value gap that is forming, but it has not been validated because it is still forming. So you don't engage with it when it is still forming. So when it finishes forming, I will now know that, oh, okay, yeah, this is real. One has formed there already. Look at one there, right there. This one. Look at it. This one now, this is the 15-minute fair value gap. If I drop it down now, there is a 5 minutes fair value gap there too. That is how you see this thing blending with each other. You can see that when I'm doing my analysis, if I pick a PDRA from a higher time frame, as I'm dropping it down, you will see a lower time frame PDRA inside that level that you mark from a higher time frame. This thing I'm saying right now, it might not make sense to you, except you are my student, that you have watched some of my videos right from the beginning. You are not jumping anything. This one will make very sense to you. So if you love it and you want to see the part 2, because I'm going to come back to tell you the end of the trade. I'm looking to see price let me show you. My TPs are here so that you will see what I'm talking about. So by the end of the trade, I'll come back to update you people that okay, this is what we're doing. You can see now one of my TP is almost hit. This one right here. Once it hits, maybe if it gets here, I'll come back to update you people about the trade. Right now I'm in $6 profit right here. So at the end of the trade, anything I make from this trade, I'll come to update you people, right? So if you love this and you want to see the part 2, stay tuned, subscribe, then click on the bell notification icon so that once I drop it, you won't miss it. So get ready, stay. I'll talk to you soon when I come back with the next one. Stay tuned.